Hello everyone and welcome back to the Option Writer. And what I wanted to do tonight real quick is just show everyone here on the public blog that we had alerted everyone on the members only blog to this turn in the markets way ahead of time. Actually about 4 or 5 days before the market actually really started to turn, we had sent out a pretty harsh, not harsh, but had made some pretty extreme predictions for the time being, I guess. And you can see that in the members only area we posted in the market commentary section on April 16th that we continue to see bullish extremes. And what we had said in there again is that this is not going on the public blog. So again, this is only for our members and they have the great insight to all these turns in the market. And really what the idea behind this post was is to highlight the fact that the put call volume on the equities was at a 6-year low. And basically what that means is that there was a majority of option buyers buying calls versus buying puts, meaning that over 76-80% of the option volume was in calls instead of puts. So most of the option buyers were predicting or hoping that the market would go higher and therefore they'd make money. But we all know that according to the CBOE, that most option buyers are wrong. In fact, about 76% of the time option buyers lose money. So if 76% of option buyers are buying calls, we want to do the opposite thing. So when everyone was buying calls at the top of the market, we were the ones who were selling calls and buying puts and are now profiting from this market swing. Now if we go to the actual chart of the S&P, you can see that the April 16th day was right here. And so our prediction was, again, 4 or 5 days right before the turn of the market. So if you had been a member, obviously you would have seen this turn coming. You would have been alerted to it. And really this just goes to show you once again that you cannot follow the news in the market. You cannot follow the emotion of the market, because the emotion of the market and everything in the market at this point in time, right before the top, at least for this point, was saying that everything was bullish, that everything was going to continue higher. The Dow was going to break 13,000. I mean, it was just ridiculous. And we all know that people can get carried away with all that hype. But what we try to focus on here at the Option Writer is always analytical, odds calculation, historical probabilities, all those types of things that really get down to the nitty-gritty of what makes successful options trading in this market. As always, I hope you enjoy and happy trading.